Hello there, fellow traders and investors. Welcome to the Stock Mantra Hub, your go-to community for mastering the stock market. If you are serious about trading, investing, and achieving your financial freedom, this is the place to be. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the powerful strategies, trading hacks, and market insights coming your way. Trust me, you are going to love what's in the store. Now let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why, despite all the efforts, time and money you put in the stock market, your portfolio just doesn't seem to grow? Or worse, why you keep losing money even when others around you are in profit? If this resonates with you, stay with me. By the end of this video, you will understand the root cause of these struggles and more importantly, how to fix them. So let's get started. First is the unrealistic expectations. That is the first trap. So one of the biggest reasons why people in India struggle in the stock market is unrealistic expectations. Many new traders enter into the market dreaming of doubling their money overnight. Let me give you one example. Back in 2021, when stocks like Adani Enterprise and Tata Power were booming, people thought, "बस ये तो guaranteed पैसा है." Without understanding the fundamentals or technicals, they blindly bought that into the rally. What happened next? A slight market correction wipe out all of their gains. Remember that the stock market is not a lottery. It's a skill-based game where patience and consistency win over greed. Expecting 50% return over the every month is like expecting a mango tree to bear fruit in a day without planting the seed. Not going to happen. Okay. Second, another major reason in jumping into the trades without making any proper research, that is lack of knowledge and your research. Most people rely on tips from friends, WhatsApp groups, or YouTube so-called gurus who promise short calls. Here's a real story from the Indian market. A lot of retail investors bought Yes Bank during the downfall, thinking it's cheap, so it's good to buy. They didn't understand that the company was facing a major financial troubles. What happened next? Those who didn't sell on time ended with a very huge losses. The takeaway: never invest based on the hearsay, like from here and there. At TSM Hub, we emphasize learning how to do your own analysis, whether it's fundamental analysis of a company, balance sheet, or technical analysis or a chart pattern. Knowledge is your strongest ally in the market. Third, now let's talk about the emotions, the fear and the greed. The biggest enemies of any trader. Picture this, the Nifty is falling like a rock and you are panic selling all your shares at a loss, only to see the market rebound the next way. Or you see a stock like the ISCTC rallying and FOMO kicks in, you buy it at a very high peak price only to watch it crash in the next week. Similarly, the stock market tests the mental strength as much as your financial strength. Remember, the moment you let emotions dictate your decision, you have already lost half the battle. So here's the truth bomb. Even the best traders in the world lose money. That is, ignoring your risk management comes into the picture. What separates them from the rest is the ability to manage risk. In India, most traders bet big on symbols, like on a single stock, or trade without a stop loss. Imagine driving a car without brakes. That's exactly what trading without risk management looks like. For example, if you are trading in Reliance or HDFC Bank, you should always have a plan. Know how much you are willing to lose if the trade goes against you or it goes from north to southwards. Okay. At TSM Hub, we stress on the 2% rule. Never risk more than 2% of capital on any single trade. This simple principle can protect you from blowing up your account. Fifth is your lack of consistency and discipline. Finally, the most underrated yet powerful reason is the lack of consistency and discipline. Everyone wants quick profit, but few are willing to stick to a strategy and execute it daily. It's like going to the gym. If you skip sessions, you will never get fit. Similarly, in trading, hopping from one strategy to another without mastering any will lead only to frustration. Take the Indian big investors like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala or Radhakishan Damani. Their success wasn't built overnight. It came from years of disciplined investing and a clear long-term vision. If they can follow the rule, why can't we? So, how do you overcome these challenges? The answer lies in the education, practice, and a strong community. That's exactly why I created the TSM Hub, a space where we come together to learn, grow, and help each other achieve financial freedom. With the right mindset and strategies, you can turn your trading journey into a success story. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, share with your friends who are struggling in the stock market, and leave a comment down below about your biggest trading challenge. I'd love to help you tackle those in the future videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more game-changing contents. Okay. So remember, the stock market is a journey, not a sprint. It's not about how fast you make money. It's about how consistently you grow your wealth. As a part of TSM Hub community, you are never alone in this journey. Together, we'll master the art of trading and investing at a time. Until next time, keep learning, stay disciplined, and let's build that financial freedom together. So see you soon in the next video and have a great day. Thank you.